Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you've ever wanted to showcase a YouTube video directly on your Wix website, whether it's a favorite clip, a business update, or a new product reveal, stick around. Because in this step-by-step tutorial, I'll be showing you exactly how to do it. By the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently embed any YouTube video onto your Wix site, making your pages more engaging for your visitors. Let's jump right in. First things first, in your Wix editor, you're going to want to add a new section to your site. You might be adding this to your homepage, a blog post, or even a landing page. It's totally up to you. Adding a section essentially creates a dedicated space where your video will live, keeping your site organized and your content easy to find. Just click the Add Section button and choose the spot on your page that feels right. This is the foundation for your video, so take a quick moment to imagine where it'll grab your visitors' attention best. Once your section is in place, it's time to add elements to it. Elements in Wix could be anything: images, buttons, text, but today we're focused on video. Simply click Add Elements within the section you just created. This makes it easy to customize that area and bring your site to life. Now comes the fun part. In the search bar for elements, type in Single Video Player. Wix has pre-made solutions that make embedding a video super straightforward, so you don't have to hassle with any messy code. When you see the option for Single Video Player, go ahead and select it. Wix will give you a few choices here, and you'll want to click the one labeled YouTube. This tells Wix that we want to display a YouTube video, not just any old video. At this point, you'll probably see the default Wix video already loaded into the player as a placeholder. No worries, we're going to swap that out in just a moment. Hover over the player and hit Change Video. This is where you get full control over which video is shown to your visitors. You'll notice that Wix even gives you options to add videos from other platforms, like Vimeo, Facebook, and Twitch. So if you ever want to diversify your content, keep those in mind. But today, we're sticking with YouTube. Leave the video source set to YouTube. Now, open a new browser tab and head over to YouTube. Find the video you want to embed. It could be a video you created, a partner's explainer, or any content that's valuable to your audience. Once you're on the videos page, look up at the address bar and copy the full URL. This is basically the video's digital address, and it's what tells Wix exactly what to display. Hop back into the Wix editor and paste your YouTube URL into the provided field. Take a breath and make sure you copied the entire link. Sometimes a small typo or an extra space can cause hiccups down the line. Wix is pretty forgiving, but it's always best to double-check. Almost there. Click the Preview button in Wix to see how your new video section looks on the site. This lets you get a visitor's eye view and make sure everything is sized and positioned the way you want. If you notice anything off, like the video player not fitting perfectly or the section needing a bit more padding, you can easily tweak it before publishing. Don't worry if something isn't perfect on your first try. Wix makes adjustments really straightforward. And that's it. You've just embedded a YouTube video onto your Wix website, giving your visitors richer, multimedia content in just a few simple steps. If you learned something new today, give the video a thumbs up. If you have any questions or run into snags, just drop a comment below. I'd love to help out. And for more easy-to-follow tutorials, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.